te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care. And I still wonder, hey, yo te amo.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today, before I get ready to do the wig review I'm about to do, I thought I would upload a little tutorial, throwback tutorial using one of my favorite palettes. This is the Lorac Pro palette, the #1. And I got this look, and I'm showing all the clips on how I got this look. One reason I wanted to use this was this is still available. I actually just got this one recently, a new one, and Lorac shadows are amazing. They're so soft, they're so blendable. They are powdery shadows, you'll see that in the clips. So you'll want to either do your base makeup last or put some powder down. But in this tutorial, I went ahead and started with this cool gray color. Just basically all over lid into the crease. I used a little bit of this buff color just along the arch. I used some charcoal in the crease. And then all over the lid, I have this jade color. And like, seriously, they're so soft and pigmented.
All right, what is this?
Pigmented. And then to lighten it up, because I'm always afraid that if I go too dark, you know, you want to think of shadows. So to lighten it up, right in the center, I use, and on the inner corners, I use this silver color. And I mean, really, look at those. So stunning. Then on the bottom, I used a warm tone color, and I used this light brown here all along the bottom lash line. And then I topped the look off with my favorite waterline liners, which are from ColourPop. I think these are $6 a piece. Now I got this one, I think, in a set, but normally they're $6 a piece or they come in a set. This is their BFF cream gel liner, and I have this in the color Overboard, which just really pulled out sort of that goldeny bronze tone. I'm loving this look.
Yes.
This is the Lorac Pro, the original one. If you'd like to see more looks with this, let me know. I'm going to be doing some throwbacks of some other palettes that I've had in here, just to use them and just remind you that if you still have them, or if you wanted them and didn't get them, that they're still awesome. I don't think Lorac gets enough love on YouTube to begin with. It's amazing. Okay, so yeah, that's what I have for you today. I'll show you clips on how I got this look, and if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I appreciate you. You're one of my little doll babies, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.